Hi everyone, today I'm solving this polynomial, fourth degree polynomial with factoring. So to factor this polynomial, you set, or let's say x squared is a, so which means x to the power 4 is a to the power 2. So rewrite this equation as a to the power 2 minus 7a plus 12 equal to 0. Now we are going to factor this. To factor this, we have two factors where first time multiplied to first term should be a square. So this is a times a. Multiplication should be 12, so this should be -4 and -3. When you multiply these two numbers, you get +12, and when you add these two numbers, you get -7. We can also use cross method. On the top of the cross is 12, which is the last number. On the bottom of the cross is the middle number, and that should be our sum. You're looking for two numbers. When you multiply, you get 12 as your product, and when you connect them, you get -7. Those two numbers are -4 and -3. So again, for cross method, you take the last number, put it on the top, and the middle number, put it on the bottom. This number should be product of these number, and this number should be, when you add or subtract them, should get -7. And write them into factor form. Now we solve for a by setting them equal to 0 one by one, and solve for a. A is 4 plus 3 on both sides. In this case, a is 3. From the top, where we assume x squared is a, we writing a as x squared. So x squared is 4, and here x squared is 3. Solve for x, so means we take square root on both sides. So here we have square root of x squared equals plus or minus square root of 4. Square root and square cancel each other because they are opposite operation. X equals square root of 4 is 2, so plus or minus 2. So two answers here. Same thing, take square root on both sides, plus or minus square root 3. Take the square and square root cancel each other, and the answer is x equals plus or minus square root 3. Since this was a fourth degree equation, so we have 4 answers, plus 2 minus 2, and plus square root 3 minus square root 3. Here is the full view of the question, and please share and subscribe if you watch my videos regularly. Thank you.